After a lot of procrastination in like 4 months, I finally finished my review of Attack on Titans, and I thought it's best that I do an overall review of the entire show and see if it gets my stamp of a recommendation. Now, when I first created this channel, I created it with the intention to recommend anime to people and try to warn them of the shitty anime, which brings us to Attack on Titans. Now, AOT was my first anime, besides Dragon Ball Z. And despite my hate for this ending and the show having a lot of writing mistakes, shitty character arcs, shitty characters in general, and a lot of controversies, and against my better judgment, I'd still recommend Attack on Titans, primarily because it's not just another anime. It doesn't string together scenes with no sense of direction, and it doesn't have cardboard characters. And although I hate some of them, and although it's a bit edgy and sometimes the script sacrifices common sense for the whole looking cool thing, it doesn't overdo it, and it's honestly one of the few animes with themes. Heck, even some movies fail to have that. Now, the show's grounded, well, as grounded as any anime can be, but it still gets tense and has this gripping atmosphere every now and then. The fight scenes aren't anything to write home about, but it's nothing to cry over. So, yeah, it's a bit realistic and, well, as realistic as an anime can be. It's a bit realistic, but there's still this whole power of friendship kumbaya bullshit that I hate. But yeah, now, any other day I wouldn't recommend it, but today isn't that day. Granted, I'm only recommending season 1, 2, 3.1, 3.2, and maybe season 4. The rest I wouldn't recommend. And I'm not gonna lie, ever since AOT dropped, it seems to have improved the writing quality of most animes. Anyway, I'm tired and I just want some sleep.